Hi everyone, this is Dr. Srikanth, Assistant Professor of Data Science Department. In this session, I am going to cover the Leetcode question number 1518. The question title is Water Bottles. Now let us go with the question what is given. There are number of bottles. That is water bottles that are initially full of water. That is NB, number of bottles which are given, that is water bottles that are initially full of water. You can exchange with the number exchange. With the empty water bottles. If we take 3 empty water bottles, you will get 1 full bottle. That is nothing but the number exchange. Based on the number exchange value, we are going to get 1 more full water bottle. Okay. So you can exchange the number exchange empty water bottles from the market with 1 full water bottle. The operation of drinking a full water bottle turns it into an empty bottle. So we are going to do the operation of drinking a full water bottle, which is going to turn into an empty bottle. If the given integers are the number of bottles and number exchange, what we need to return is, we need to return the maximum number of water bottles which you can drink. So if we take some number of bottles and after drinking the number of bottles, with the number exchange, we are going to exchange into full water bottles and then again drink, and again we are going to exchange. Like that we are going to find out what is the maximum number of water bottles which you can drink. So this is the example. Here the full water bottles, that is the number of water bottles which are given as 9. And here the number exchange which is equals to 3, which is given. Okay. So here if we take 3 empty bottles, if we give 3 empty bottles, we are going to get another full bottle. Like this we have to do our exchange. So here there are 9 water bottles are given. So first, how many water bottles which we can drink? Maximum 9. And then after the 9 water bottles, 9 empty bottles we are having. These 9 water bottles we are going to exchange. How we are going to exchange? With the number exchange. If we are having 3 empty bottles, we are going to get 1 full water bottle. So here for these 3 bottles, we are going to get 1 full bottle, and in the same way for these 3, 1 bottle, and for these 3, another bottle. So total we have got again 3 full bottles, and these 3 full bottles we are going to drink, and that we are going to add it to the number of bottles which we can drink, that is plus. And then after drinking these 3 full bottles, again we are going to get 3 empty bottles. These 3 empty bottles, if we exchange, we are going to get 1 full bottle, and that full bottle we can drink, that we are going to add it to the number of drink bottles. Okay, so after this only 1 empty bottle is there. So with 1 bottle we cannot exchange. We need minimum number of exchange empty bottles are 3. So we require 3 bottles. So here we are having only 1 bottle. So we cannot go for exchange. So the total number of bottles which we can drink is 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 30. This is the example which we need to do. We need to solve the question by using this concept. This is the example. We need to return what is the number of bottles which you can drink. And let us take the same another example with number of bottles as number of bottles as 15 and number exchange as 4. So if we take number of bottles as 15, number exchange is 4. So here we are taking the number of bottles, the maximum number of bottles initially which we can drink is 15 bottles. And these 15 bottles we are converting into empty bottles after drinking. And then this with the number exchange, 4 bottles can be replaced with 1 full bottle. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 bottles will give us 1 full bottle and another full bottle. There are 12 bottles which we are going to get. Only 3 full bottles and remaining 3 empty bottles are available. So here we can get 15 plus 3, 18. And after getting this, these 3 bottles which we can empty and totally empty bottles which we are having are 6. Out of 6 we can exchange only 4. So 4 are exchanged, 1 full bottle which we have got and another 2 empty bottles we are having. So these two, this bottle which we need to add to this particular drink bottles, and then finally we are having 3 empty bottles. We cannot exchange 3 empty bottles. So our value will be 15 plus 3 plus 1. 15 plus 3, 18 plus 1, 19. So this is our question what we need to do. So how we can do? So here we need to initialize 2 variables, that is drink bottles and empty bottles. Here we are taking the drink bottles as 0 and empty bottles as 0. Here we need to use both modulo and division operator. So first we are initializing D as 0, that is drink bottles as 0 and empty bottles also 0. And we are taking a loop. We need to continue until the number of bottles should be greater than 0. We need to repeat this loop until the number of bottles are greater than 0. And now we are taking D is equals to drink bottles is equals to D plus number of bottles. Initially the number of bottles, if let us consider the number of bottles as 9 and the number exchange as 3. Number of bottles as 9 and number exchange as 3. So here we are taking D is equals to D plus number of bottles, that is equals to, now the D value will become 9 initially. And next we are going to take E is equals to E plus number of bottles, that is initially the E value is 0, 0 plus 9, 9. Whatever the number of bottles are there, that many empty bottles will come. Okay. And now we are going to do our division operator, that is we need to reduce the number of bottles. How we are going to reduce? That is empty bottles we need to exchange with the number exchange, that is E divisible by number exchange, that is 9 divided by 3, which we are going to get it as 3. So our number of bottles here as 3, and then E is equals to E mod number exchange. E mod number exchange. Here 9 modulo 3 is equals to 0. Again E has become 0. This is our loop we need to continue. Okay, here we need to repeat this loop until the number of bottles are greater than 0. Here the number of bottles are 3. So again we need to repeat this loop. So D value will become D is equals to 9 plus 3 and E will become 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 because E is replaced with 0 now here. Okay, now we are getting here D value as 12 and E value as 0. E value as 3. So after getting the E value, again we need to go with the number of bottles. E divisible by number exchange. So here 3 divided by 3 which is equals to 1. And here E is equals to 3 modulo 3. 3 modulo 3 which is equals to 0. Now here the number of bottles is 1 and the empty bottles are 0. So again number of bottles is greater than 0. So again we need to add the number of bottles to the D. That is equals to D is equals to 12 plus 1 which is equals to 13 and E is equals to 0 plus 1 which is equals to 1. And here the number of bottles here 1 by 3. 1 divided by 3 which is equals to 0. And here E will be 1 by 3, 1 modulo 3. So here it is 1. So here the empty bottle is 1 and drank bottles are 13. And what we need to return as per the question, we need to return the maximum number of drank bottles. So here we need to return the D. This is the pseudocode and the step-by-step procedure for this particular question. Now we'll go with the step-by-step Java code. And int D is equals to 0. We are taking the int, the variable D is the drink bottles which is equals to 0. And then E is equals to 0. Empty bottles is equals to 0. While number of bottles greater than 0. Here we are taking the loop. Here while loop we are taking, that is while number of bottles are greater than 0. Where D plus is equals to number of bottles which is equals to D is equals to D plus number of bottles. And E is equals to E plus number of bottles. E is equals to E plus number of bottles. And number of bottles is equals to E divided by number exchange. Here E is equals to empty bottles is equals to E modulo number exchange. And finally, we need to return the number of drink bottles, that is nothing but D. Here we are returning D. This is about how we are going to write the Java code for the pseudocode. So for every step, we need to keep on complete this loop. We are going to keep on updating the drink water bottles and empty water bottles. And again, we are going to update the number of bottles and empty bottles. So this is the way we are going to find the number of water bottles which you can drink. In this session, I have discussed the Leetcode problem, water bottles. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.